Hello everyone, I am Suman Gupta from Springdale Children's School, Nayagaon, Kota. Welcome to e-learning. Today we are going to discuss on topic estimation of numbers. Nowadays, we hear that there are 2 lakh people affected in America by coronavirus. But actually no one has counted the exact number of people. These are just a general idea. This general idea is known as an estimation of number. We may estimate the values of number nearest 10, 100 and 1000 etc. This is known as the estimation or rounding of number to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000 etc. First we will take estimation to the nearest tens. For estimation of numbers to the nearest 10, we follow the following steps. Step 1. See the ones digit of given numbers. Step 2. If ones digit is less than 5, replace one digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Step 3. If ones digit is 5 or more than 5, increase tens digit by 1 and replace ones digit by 0. For example, suppose we have to rounded off 98315 to the nearest 10. According to step 1, first we will see the ones digit. Here ones digit is 5, that is equal to 5. That means we have to increase tens digit by 1 and replace ones digit by 0. Thus, rounded off to the nearest tens equal to 98320. Let's take another example. That is 81422. Again we have to round it off this number to the nearest 10. Now see ones digit. Here ones digit is 2, that is less than 5. That means replace ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Thus the rounded off to the nearest tens is 81420. Now move to estimation to the nearest 100. For this, we will follow the following steps. Step 1. See the tens digit. Step 2. If tens digit is less than 5, replace each one of tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Step 3. If this digit is 5 or more, increase 100 digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Let's clear with an example. Suppose we have to round it off the number 32356 to the nearest 100. According to first step, first we will see tens digit. Here tens digit is 5, that is equal to 5. Means we have to increase hundreds digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. That is 2400. Now move to another example. 13768. Again we have to round it off this number nearest to 100. Now here tens digit is 6, that is greater to 5. That's why we have to again increase hundreds digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Thus the required rounded number is 13800. Now move to estimation to the nearest 1000. For this, we will follow the some steps. Step 1. See the hundreds digit to the given numbers. Step 2. If hundreds digit is less than 5, replace each one of hundreds, tens and one digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Step 3. If hundreds digit is 5 or more, increase 1000 digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Move to example. Example is a 5486, that is you have to round it off to the nearest 1000. According to first step, first we will see hundreds digit, that is 4, this is less than to 5. That's why we replace each one of hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Thus the rounded number will be 5000. Now second example, 6823. Again you have to round it off this number nearest to 1000. For this, first we will see hundreds digit, that is 8. 8 is greater to 5. That's why we increase 1000 digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Thus the required rounded number will be 7000. Now move to another example, that is 14380. Again you have to round it off this number to the nearest thousand. Thus here 100 digit is 3, that is less than 5. That's why we have to replace each one of hundreds, 10 and 1 digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Thus the required rounded number will be 14000, that means 14,000. Thank you.